Got some stir-fried chicken noodles happening today. It's really simple, keeping this one really nice and basic. Very few ingredients. Tastes absolutely amazing. Let's get on with it. Welcome back once again to How to Cook Great. Okay, so let's start by having a look at our noodles. I'm using this very thin vermicelli type noodle. They're made of wheat and they're required to be cooked in water for 4 minutes. You can use a completely different type of noodle if you want. A rice noodle, a fatter one like a kind of tagliatelle type. That's up to you. Look at the directions on the packet. Chicken breast. No skin, no bone. That's a large chicken breast cut into nice thin strips there so it cooks really fast. I've got like a cup or so of green onions chopped. 1 regular size onion, nice and small. A little bit of fish sauce. Be careful with fish sauce, super strong, very salty. Soy, I'm using some soy and I'm using a light soy today. Chilies, these chilies look like a lot and they look really hot. They're not actually massively hot, but they certainly have a kick. You can add the amount that you like. And then here we've got equal parts, about a tablespoon each, of chopped garlic and chopped ginger. I'm going to add a couple of other bits. Let's get moving. So I've got a wok here. I'm going to add some oil. I'm using this sesame oil, nice nutty flavour for that. The heat is on, getting it hot. Now, star anise. I like a few of those in there. What we're going to do now is we're going to drop in the garlic and the ginger. And the onion. I've cut my onion really small, but you can slice it if you want. And then we're going to add the chicken breast. No skin, no bone. Cut quite thin. Maximum heat. I'll be back in about 3 minutes. Keep it moving. Fabulous. I'm now going to drop in my fresh chili. I'm going to add a nice amount of black pepper. I'm not going to be adding any salt because we're going to be adding the fish sauce right there and the soy, which is plenty of salt for me. About another 3 minutes on this high heat, we'll be ready for our noodles. Fabulous stuff. I'm going to go in with those lovely amounts of green onions, then add my cooked noodles. I'm going to stay on a high heat about 3 or 4 minutes. Going to really work this together. We're done. Few toasted sesame seeds on the top, and that's a very simple but very beautiful chicken noodle. Hope you enjoy that. We'll see you very, very soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for checking out our videos. We're currently steaming ahead to actually reaching nearly 100 million views, which is fantastic. I think we've got over 3,000 uploads now. We've really been going at it since I think 2012 we started back in the day. But yeah, thanks so much for watching our videos. Please do give us a thumbs up. It really does help us out a great deal, and also leave a comment. We do like to hear from you. Now, what we've been up to, so lots going on. We're now based in Bahrain. We're here for a little while in the kitchen here, which is fantastic. We're having a great time. Kids are really enjoying themselves. We are cooking away at a rapid rate, trying to do this new series called eating with locals, where I want to go and eat with different, people from different nationalities and eat their food and have a little chat, see if I can learn something. Hoping this COVID thing's going to shift. Don't know when it's going to happen, but maybe soon. If it does, I'm going to get back on the road. I want to get back on an aeroplane, as I'm sure many of you do as well, and get out there and sort of, see the sights, taste some food and meet some people. It would be fantastic if you would buy us a cup of coffee, help us along with the channel. We're not funded in any way, we're self-funded. We don't endorse any products. There's a link down below. If you would like to buy me a coffee, a couple of dollars or whatever you want, just follow the link. That would be fantastic. That's about it. We're doing great, and we hope that you're doing fine, and we'll see you soon. Lots of love.